Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a timeline action to change the subject or title using GoToWebinar. So first, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you're logged in, just open the timeline you want to create the timeline action for. And from here, click on Create Action from the upper right. So this specific action will actually trigger another email from GoToWebinar, and it will be sent to all registrants. So it is perfect for a 20-minute before reminder. So let's set it to that. So 20 minutes, and then let's select registrants. Let's select go to webinar, and then let's select change subject title, and then you have to enter the new subject. So since this will trigger another email to be sent to registrants, let's just put in webinar is 20 minutes from now. Don't forget to join. And once you're satisfied, you just have to click on create. Um, as a reminder, though, it is required, it is imperative that the time defined is at a minimum of 20 minutes before the start of the webinar. And if you have a countdown room enabled, the time needs to be added to that. Also, if an organizer starts the webinar prior to this automation action firing, GoToWebinar will reject the subject change API call, and this specific timeline action will fail. So, as a best practice, let the automated computer join first and only join as an organizer 5 minutes prior to start time. Okay, so let's click on create, and we have successfully added the timeline action. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, as always, you may contact support. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.